Okay, we've got ourselves an equilateral triangle, side length 10. We could write the side length in here just so you have it. Something fun happens with equilateral triangles. If we were looking for by the way, the 10 is also the base, right? It's 10 all the way around. Okay, but if we were to drop an altitude down, right? Essentially, so we're going to form a 90-degree angle down here. Then what happens is, oh, and I could have done this before. In an equilateral triangle, what do all the angles measure? Okay, all the angles measure 60, 60, 60, and this top one is 62, but watch what we've done. We've just split that 60 degrees in half. So this actually becomes a 30, and then we've got a 30, 60, 90 triangle. Another fun fact about this is that when we drop that altitude, that green line down, we're splitting that base in half, that 10 side in half, so what we get is 5 and 5. Okay, and I've got this cool little tool. Let me move this out of the way. I can put it down here. That whole side is 10, right? And that side's 10 too. But I've got this cool tool. I can cut this. Um, why do I want to do that? Because look, we've got a 30, 60, 90 right triangle. I'm not sure I can erase, but let's see if I can. Yeah, I can. Good. Let's get that little, clean up a little. And what do we know then? Well, we know we can find out what the altitude is because we've got a 30, 60, 90 right triangle. And if the short leg is 5, remember this is x. This is 2x, which that fits because we knew that was 10. And this is x root 3. So x is what? The short leg's length. So that then becomes 5 root 3. Okay? So going back to our original drawing, we've got a height of the triangle of 5 root 3. Okay? And now we can calculate the formula. Well, we can find out what the area is based on the formula for area of a triangle, which is, I'll write it down here at the bottom. Area equals 1/2 the base times the height, and we know that the base is 10. And we know that the height is 5 root 3. We just figured that out. And so 1/2 of 10 is 5. 5 times 5 root 3 is 25 root 3. And since it's area, we're going to be saying it's units squared. They didn't give us the units, so we just call it units squared. And that becomes the answer. And do we see that up somewhere else? Yep, that's answer A right there. Nice.